In a recent boots-on-the-ground report from Iraq, Frank26 and Firefly highlighted a significant development in Iraq's ongoing monetary reform. According to Firefly, the Minister of Finance announced on television that Iraq has officially activated the automation and digitalization process. This is a major step forward for the country's financial infrastructure, and Frank26 emphasized just how important this move is, especially in the context of Iraq's currency reform. To understand the significance of this development, let's break it down. Automation and digitalization in the financial sector essentially mean that transactions will become more streamlined, efficient, and secure. By shifting from manual, paper-based systems to digital ones, Iraq is aligning itself with modern global financial standards. This will have several key benefits. For one, it will make it easier to track and control the flow of money both within the country and internationally. This is crucial for Iraq as it seeks to enhance transparency, combat corruption, and stabilize its economy. However, what really stands out is Frank26's point about digitization being the backbone of the monetary reform. This is because one of the long-term goals of Iraq's monetary policy is to get its currency, the Iraqi Dinar, to float on the international market. In other words, the dinar would become a freely traded currency whose value is determined by supply and demand, just like major global currencies such as the US dollar or the euro. For this to happen successfully, a robust and efficient digital financial infrastructure is essential. Frank26 explains that this new digital system will not only manage the flow of currency into the country, but, more importantly, control its flow out into the global market when Iraq begins to float its currency. This is a critical phase in the reform process because it allows the currency to interact with international markets, making it more attractive to foreign investors and strengthening Iraq's financial standing on the world stage. Furthermore, digitization will enable Iraq to introduce what's known as the Real Effective Exchange Rate, REER, to the dinar. REER is a measure that adjusts the exchange rate of a currency for inflation and compares it to a basket of other currencies. In simple terms, it reflects the true value of the currency in the context of the global market. Once Iraq's digital systems are fully operational, this will pave the way for the dinar to be valued more accurately and fairly on the international stage, potentially leading to a significant revaluation, RV. This is why the activation of digitalization is such a major milestone in Iraq's monetary reform. It sets the stage for the next steps, including the long-awaited potential revaluation of the dinar, which has been a point of great interest and speculation. For those closely following Iraq's economic developments, this is a moment of cautious optimism. The country is taking concrete steps towards modernization, and this could have a transformative impact not only on its economy, but also on those invested in its currency. In conclusion, the Minister of Finance's announcement is a key indicator that Iraq is moving forward with its financial reform efforts. The automation and digitalization of its financial systems will not only enhance the efficiency and transparency of transactions, but also play a crucial role in Iraq's currency eventually floating on the international market. This, in turn, could introduce a real effective exchange rate that accurately reflects the true value of the Iraqi dinar. For those hoping for a revaluation, this development could be a step closer to that reality.